Oh yeah, that was smooth.
Still ain't even finished my fruit cup from earlier.
God damn.
Oh, I feel you, big dog. Hey. She just bumped her fucking head off that dresser behind me. Meanwhile, Kobe's out there extinguishing that fire a little bit so it doesn't catch anything on fire. Look at a strut. Cat. No.
Look at that.
It's kind of cool looking naked like that.
It's very naked. It is cool. It's naked.
I could see my goddamn knuckles in the fucking picture. I could always fucking crop it out, but like, fuck. This shitty ass gimbal. I thought I stopped recording. I could have sworn I hit the red button, but it's still recording.
Fuck it. That's more content to choose from in the long run.
It is indeed, but I guess I'm just slightly retarded. It happens. Retards are cool. Retards are cool people too. Some of the coolest people are a little bit retarded. I can't lie. You know that motherfucker Kanye West? Yeah, he a little bit. He you know, but like, he funny.
I wouldn't say he's retarded. I think
he's got. So he's
all right,
what?
dude. He was all right. Even in the brain region, he was all right. Then he got into that car accident.
That's what I'm saying. Now he's
a racist Republican.
Yeah.
He's still funny.
Yeah, he's funny. He's still funny as hell.
But
even when he doesn't try to be. Well, that's probably the only reason he's funny, because he doesn't even try to be.
And it's
just his personality.
I don't know if it's not so much funny in like a comical type of way. He's not like a comical type of guy. He's just like, he's funny in the type of way that my grandfather's funny. He's so fucked in the head.
Yeah.
You can look at him and be like, wow, I'm glad I'm not that guy. But then at the same time, you're like, man, I wish I was Kanye West.
Oh, absolutely.
Which is why I think
so.
he's so appreciated and such a fucking character, because you can look at him and be like, Jesus Christ.
You're a great guy, but you're also a terrible person.
You're a terrible person. The Jews came from Jerusalem, killed Jesus. Santa Claus was like, nah, fuck that. I'm gonna get that whole fucking religion back. So he moved way north, as far north as he could go, and ran into a bunch of reindeer and midgets. Built a factory, and he was like, I have an idea. One day out of every single year, we're gonna give every single child who didn't kill my brother a present. And that's how we got Christmas and Santa Claus. You are such a good kitty.
And she looked good. That's all done. Now I just gotta redo the wheels. I'm still contemplating on whether I really want to do these or not. Just because I still want to put my other wheels on there. Yeah, she's damn near maxed out. I'm at an inch and I don't know, an inch and 3/8, and then inch. Yeah, I think it's an inch and 3/8, and the fitment's all right. I'm not complaining, but I'm probably gonna want to go a little bit lower in the future. Holy fuck, my hands are goddamn dirty and ashy. Into a tight garage. It's not really that tight, it's just more of the fact that my car is really big. There we go. The last shot just got ruined because somebody wanted to drive on this fucking road that nobody ever drives down. Even though like 3 people just drove past me. But right here looks like a damn good spot to do the same fucking thing. Just real quick.